Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. For 2012, the adoption credit has been extended. Eligible taxpayers may be able to take a credit up to $12,360 if they adopted a child for that tax year. In order to qualify for the credit, the taxpayer's AGI must be under $229,700. If the taxpayer's AGI is more than $189,710,000, the credit is reduced. Also, only certain expenses qualify. Expenses must be ordinary, necessary, and directly related to the adoption of the child. However, this credit may be allowed for the adoption of a child with special needs, even if the taxpayer does not have qualified expenses. Qualified adoption expenses include adoption fees, court fees, attorney fees, travel expenses, and even readoption expenses to adopt a foreign child. Non-qualified expenses include expenses that violate the law, expenses for a surrogate arrangement, the adoption of a spouse's child, expenses for which the taxpayer received funds under any federal or state program, expenses allowed as a credit or deduction under any other federal income tax rule, and expenses paid by or reimbursed by the taxpayer's employer. Let's look at a review question. In 2012, Karen adopted a child. Which of the following is a qualified expense she can use to claim the adoption credit on her income tax return? A. Court and attorney costs associated with the adoption. B. Money reimbursed by Karen's employer. C. The cost to adopt her spouse's child. Or D. Costs associated with a surrogate parent arrangement. The correct answer is A. Court and attorney costs associated with the adoption. This is a qualified expense that can be used to claim the adoption credit on her income tax return. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.